Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I made curry lentil. So let's get started, guys. So I've got my pot on and I'm gonna add some coconut milk, coconut oil, not milk, guys, sorry. I'm gonna add some coconut oil to that, and I'm not using a lot, you know the score. So that's the amount of coconut oil I'll be using, guys. And I'm so excited for this video. And now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some, you can use cumin seed, you can use jeera, whatever you want to use. You can go ahead and use that. Now I'm going to allow that, guys, to burn for a bit before I add the rest of the ingredients, okay? Now that my jeera is all burned, guys, you can smell the aroma, so nice. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some ginger and some garlic to that, and I'm gonna saute that for a bit before I add the rest of the ingredients. Welcome back, guys. Now that's my garlic, ginger is sauteed. I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients: white onion, red purple onion, some cherry tomato, and also some red bell pepper, some green spring onion, and thyme. So yeah, I'm gonna allow this to saute for a bit. And then, guys, look at the color. Wow, it's beautiful. Man, you can smell it, the aroma already smells so good. So I'm going to allow this to saute, guys, and I'm going to go through it step by step with you. And then when I come back, then you'll see the rest. Welcome back, guys. Now that my seasoning is sauteed, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add the spices, guys. I sauteed this for about 3 to 4 minutes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add spices to it. I'm adding some onion powder, a tablespoon of turmeric, and a teaspoon of cumin. And I'm also gonna add a bit of pink salt, like half teaspoon of pink salt to that. And that's the only spices I'm gonna use. And now I'm gonna combine everything together, guys. As you can see, it's not a lot of coconut oil in there, it's all dry because I don't use a lot of oil. And yes, so combine it all together, guys, before I add my lentils. And my lentils been soaking from overnight. I always soak all my beans from overnight. Now that I combine all together, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some coconut milk, and that's a lot. Wow. The rest of the coconut milk. This is like half a cup of coconut milk, guys. And I'm gonna have my lentil. I'm gonna add my lentil to that. This is how I make curry lentil. Combine it all together. This needs a bit more liquid, guys, so I'm gonna add a bit more coconut milk. And I'm also gonna add half a cup a water to that. You're gonna need the lentils to cook, because I didn't pre-cooked my lentils. I just soak it. So I'm gonna allow this to cook. Pop the lid on. Give it a stir, guys. Pop the lid on and let it cook and medium heat. Hi guys, welcome back. Now that my lentils are cooked, and this is how it looks, guys. Look at that, guys. Wow. Yeah, this is how you want it to look. That's the consistency you need, guys. So this is how I cooked my curry lentils in coconut milk. Is the coconut milk bring out the flavor even more, guys. Yeah, that's the reason why I love to cook with coconut milk, natural coconut milk. Not no coconut cream or no coconut from the can. Natural thing. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna dish and then you will see the final product. Hi guys, welcome back. Now that my dinner is finished and ready, it's all dish. This is the final product. This is how my curry lentils look, and I'm having it with some rice and peas, some salad, avocado, and some potato salad. Guys, I just want to say thanks to each and everyone who like my videos, who thumbs up, who subscribe, who share. I'm really grateful and appreciate that. And I just want to say, guys, please, if you make this curry lentil, please leave a comment down below and let me know how it comes out, because this tastes so good. Guys, so good. I won't lie, it tastes good. Guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Please hit that notification bell so whenever I upload, you won't miss the video from me. Guys, and I see you in my next video. Wanna go and big up on yourself, guys. Enough love, enough blessings. Stay safe, stay healthy, build an immune system. Guys, if you need sea mustard gel to buy, you can DM me on Instagram at naturalJamaican_vegan, Facebook at naturalJamaicanVegan. Please go over there and follow me, guys. I just want to say thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye, guys.